If you do some stock trading, you would have encountered the problem of idle funds. It is too cumbersome to keep transferring your money from the broking account to your bank account and vice versa on days on which you don't have any trading ideas or you have unutilized capital that's lying around. Mutual funds came up with a solution to this many years ago when they devised something called liquid ETFs. The biggest such liquid ETF is owned by Nippon AMC called Liquid Bees. And what this does is that on idle days, you can simply place a buy order for the liquid ETF to the extent that you have unutilized funds in the account. These invest in overnight paper or very short term paper, and so they are not very volatile. And you earn some interest for your money instead of just leaving it with the broker. Unfortunately, there was a flaw in the design of these ETFs, which was that they were declaring dividends either in cash or in kind. At the time, dividends happened to be tax-free, and so that was not a problem. But afterwards, for the last couple of years, dividends have been taxable. So every time a liquid ETF declares a dividend, it generates a taxable event for you, and dividends are taxed at slab rate. If they are paid in kind, then they are often paid in fractions of units. So 0.2 or 0.6. And you can't sell fractions of units on the stock exchange. You have to wait until you accumulate a full unit. Again, a big inconvenience for you as the investor. It so happened that Nippon's head of passive funds moved to Zerodha as its CEO, and he devised a new liquid ETF, liquidcase, which will be in the growth option. There'll be no dividends in cash or kind. The NAV of the ETF will appreciate every day according to the returns that it generates, and you can hang on to it as long as you like. The other benefit of this is that when you do eventually sell this liquid ETF, the gains are taxed as capital gains and not as dividends, which means that you can take advantage of set-off against losses elsewhere in your trading. Right now, the Zerodha liquid case is quite small compared to its competitors, but this solves a very big problem for traders, and I see this growing to quite a large amount. So do watch out for this.